Hey listeners, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the second episode of Decoding UIUX. A sophisticated and high-end design is required for a professional website, and new web design elements should be up to date and fulfill the needs of the users. Using these features contributes to more smoother and appealing website experience. Every day, the audience expects something extraordinary from a website design. So without any ado, let's discuss 15 essential web design elements to improve or enhance a website's functionality. First is background videos. Automatic background videos can add lots of appeal to a web page. You can use them for storytelling and lowering other content you require to describe your business. These videos help viewers to understand the primary facts about your business. Moreover, some people don't want to read a lot of texts. For them, videos are more convenient and effortless to understand the critical point of your organization. The second point is bold color scheme. Bright, bold colors enhance the appearance of a modern website. Hence, select a color scheme for your website according to your brand's tone. Some shades reflect particular emotions, so design accordingly. The third element is rotated text. Rotated text is relatively standard in web designs. It is very eye-catchy and can provide an editorial appearance to your website. However, this text is not usable like marquees, hence you can use it for decorating your site. The fourth element is exceptional typography. Most organizations choose specific typography or the font to help their clients recognize them better than their competitors. Moreover, typography make it easier for businesses to express their brands. The fifth element is minimalism. Sometimes people get confused between modernism and minimalism. Although they are different, they highly impact each other. While less is more is minimalism's principle. Modernism pays heed to airy design as streamlined and clean-lined as possible. The sixth element is seamless navigation. Website navigation includes the assimilation of menus and links on the website. The navigation menu impacts the association between various pages and how conventionally visitors can discover them. The seventh element is white space. People usually overlook the use of white space in web design. After all, it can transform the whole website's appearance. If you add lots of info or design elements to your website, it can confuse users and they may choose to leave the site. Using white space is mandatory for designing modern websites as it helps users go through relevant data that they may overlook in a hurry. In other words, white space makes web pages look more airy and sleek. The eighth element is high quality images. To enhance the visual appearance of your website, you need to lower using lengthy text and add intriguing images. Such images can grab users' attention towards a modern website and help you make them your clients. The ninth element is call to actions. We have already discussed the necessity of smooth navigation for a website, and CTA, that is call to action buttons, do the same, growing the possibilities of converting visitors to clients. They guide the users through a website. While creating a CTA button, you must consider how to design it and where to put it and what text to utilize. According to your website's requirements, you can place call to action button on every page. Just make sure it does not look irritating. The 10th element is animation. Animation is a crucial modern web design element that makes a website look more engaging and interactive when visitors scroll, click, or hover. Since users focus on movement, animation can grab more users' attention. Motion and animation can create playfulness, causing visitors to spend lots of time on a website. Here are few things to add as animation designs to your website. like spinning elements, 3D motion, playful button or cursor, navigation menu animation, rotating images, so on. The 11th element is semi-flat design. Flat design is more convenient for users to understand, and it can load more rapidly on websites with no tricky or excessive tech elements. Many companies have moved to flat design as it helps visitors to understand website content more effectively. Whether you design your site with flat design or use shadows or some other elements, it must be subtle and stable across the website. Also, please make sure the whole website and its pages sections use the same design cues to help visitors understand what they are viewing. The 12th element is card design. Many organizations are executing card designs these days. Cards help distribute data visually so the visitors can understand your website without being confused. If you break up your content pieces into cards, users can choose which content they want to read. It keeps the website streamlined and cleaned. There won't be a bulk of the content. Many B2B and B2C companies are now using card designs to provide easy to read info for users. The design of your website can help highlight crucial products, services, or solutions side by side. However, make sure to keep your cards responsive. As the screen size becomes larger or smaller, the displayed card size and number must change accordingly. The 13th element is mobile-friendly website layouts. So mobile-friendly website layouts follow the standard of responsive web design. It enables website elements like user interfaces, text, and images to resize and rescale automatically based on the device users use for accessing your website. As of April 2022, 59.5% of web traffic comes from mobile devices. This clearly means that your website must be mobile friendly. If images, text, and buttons don't resize to match smaller screen sizes and touch screen controls, potential clients cannot discover what they seek. The 14th element is hero images. A full screen image as the base of a website's homepage is another famous web design element. Hero images are the most extensive sized banner images to put above the fold to attract more users and grow their interests. Last but not the least, the 15th element is hamburger menus. The benefit of long website menus is that they can lead the visitors to where they need to go. However, they consume lots of screen space. The hamburger menu doesn't do the same. They save space and users can navigate more effectively. So, we have discussed some of the most standard web design elements to make the most beautiful website and give it a personal touch to make it more attractive in users' eyes. We wish you all the very best in using the fine elements for designing websites. In case you require the expert's touch in designing your website, then visit www.mindinventory.com now. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep advancing.